Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name is Taylor Keene. Today we're going to go over the ChatGPT app. This is on a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So if it looks a little different on Apple, I apologize, but I figured we'd hop right in. They added some new voice controls, which I actually do like, so you can kind of have a conversation with it. And beyond that, you can actually pick the voice and they sound a lot better than they used to. I think there's 5 options right now. And so if you opened the ChatGPT app from the App Store, and then you should see a little headphone on the bottom right corner. And let me get my little freaking thing out right there. And then when you click that for the first time, you'll have to be like, oh, it's new, and pick which voice you want, and you can just go through them and listen to what the voices are. Pretty cool. And I'll show you how to change that after you already set it, etc. But let's just hop right in there and see what we got. So I'm gonna click this button right here. Hey ChatGPT, I'm making a video on YouTube right now, doing a screen share and just showing how your voice sounds and works and giving a tutorial. So please help me out and do something cool.
That sounds like a great project. What specific features or aspects of the voice interaction are you planning to highlight in your tutorial?
Really, I'm just trying to highlight how you can switch the voices, the different voice styles, how that when you stop speaking, you will naturally start your answer, and how I can interrupt you as well and keep it more of a conversation-based style.
That's a really engaging way to showcase the interactive features. Showing how the voice can be switched and how it handles interruptions will definitely demonstrate the flexibility and responsiveness of the system. Are you planning to cover any particular scenarios or use cases where these features might be especially useful?
I'm actually in the video right now, ChatGPT. You're live. You're with me. So say hi to everyone for me.
Hello, everyone. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and enjoy seeing what you can do with these voice features. Thanks for tuning in.
Heck yeah. I think we're going to stop this now, but I appreciate your time, ChatGPT. So, you can see the conversation within the, here. So, everything you had, it's just like before. Within the mobile app right here too, let's see if I can get this out of the way. You can do things like click right here, and you're gonna see you can switch from 3.5 or 4 if you pay for the premium. If you want to rename your chat, do things like that, share, all that stuff. You just want a temporary chat that you don't want anything to be remembered of, you can do that as well. ChatGPT also can read what's on your pictures, or on your if you had a bunch of writing when it first came out, you really couldn't do it that well. It would have a hard time getting everything, but I screenshot so much now, and you can totally get it to understand what's in a screenshotted image with text. So that's another cool thing that I really do like. Over on the left hand side over here, you can still explore GTPs just like you usually would, and they all work the same, so it's really cool. I'm not going to go into the GTPs right now, but yeah, there's a bunch of cool ones out there. I really do like them. Last thing too, if you want to change the, let's see here. Let's see. If you want to change the, your data controls, personalization, archive chats, your color scheme, maybe you want to go dark. You can have haptic feedback on, and then right here you can go voice, and we can choose different voices.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Hi there, I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Well, hello. I'm really excited about teaming up with you, and I'm all set to dive in. So how can I make your life easier?
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the...
So yeah, overall, I really did like the voices sound real to me, more real than they did before. I feel like a lot of times too, you want to stop it before it finishes, and it does a good job of that for the main point if you don't have a lot of noise in the background. If you click on main language auto detect, you can Yeah, you could put like English, I should probably put English because it's the only language I speak. But overall, I think that this app is actually pretty good, and I really enjoy my ChatGPT experience, even though I didn't think I would. But maybe that's because I have a foldable phone, and I don't even think so. I think it's because that conversation piece and how it interacts with you seems much more real, like not like a real person, but just like not such an awkward experience when you're trying to go back and forth with it. And sometimes I don't want to type everything out. So I hope you catch us next time. We're always here. We're trying to put out these tutorials once a week, and at least just like this is kind of like a fun tutorial just on ChatGPT, but we usually do more like marketing based freelancer style tutorials. And yeah, catch us next time. If you have any if the Apple version is different, please leave it in the comments below. If you know any other features that I didn't talk about here besides exploring GPT or the GTPs, then let us know. I know like I use a lot of different when you click that explore one, but yeah, list out your favorite GTPs below, and I can't wait to test them out and review them and see if there's anything I'm missing in there. So I hope you have, wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Yeah, we'll catch you next time. I can never turn this off.